Today we're gonna bring some headphones, and these headphones are noise cancellation. They got great foam, if you guys can see that, but you can't feel them in the videos. But they're pleather. They're not leather, right? They're nice and soft. They have the memory foam. They're very flexible, if you guys can see that. Now they do have identification of which one's left and which one's right. They're Type C charging station. Flexibility fits pretty much any head that you have. And like I said, I got a larger head, so flexible. They twist when you want to put them away. They have the logo on the side. They got couple buttons that you should be aware. You got your plus, your power, your minus, and then your synchronization too. Now, if you ever run out of battery and you wanted to run in a 3.5 jack, you can do that. Just plug it in through the bottom and automatically plug it into your device. Very simple. Now, on the bottom, you do have a light indicating that it's charging, or the Bluetooth is actually going to be enabled.
So they are wireless, so they are connected via Bluetooth, and they have 35 dB noise cancellation depth. They have 76 hour long playtime. They have game mode, low latency, and ambient sound mode, which is very nice. So they are very simple headphones. So obviously they just go over your head like this. And they are very noise canceling, let me tell you that. I literally can't hear anything going on outside.